Hello and welcome to SONA 101, presented by Texas Tech University College of Media and Communications Center for Communication Research. In this video, you will learn how to register for a SONA account and add classes on SONA. First, go to your web browser and type in the address here. Be sure you type it in exactly how you see here, as there are other colleges here at Texas Tech that use SONA as well. Next, you will be brought to the login page. If you already have a SONA account with the College of Media and Communication, enter your credentials and log in. If you need to create an account, click on the Request Account link on the login page. You will then be taken to this page. Go ahead and fill in every box with your information. You must use a Texas Tech student or faculty email address to register with SONA. At the bottom, you will notice two boxes. Here is where you will add the classes you seek SONA credit for. Scroll through until you find your class or classes. Click once on the name of the class to add it to the box on the right, which is for the course or courses you seek credit for. To remove a class, simply click on it in the right box. After you are finished selecting your classes, click on Request Account. If successful, you will be taken to your dashboard. If you already have an account and are logging into SONA for the first time during a semester, you will be prompted to select your classes for the semester before proceeding to the dashboard. And that is how you get started with SONA. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other SONA 101 videos for more tips and tricks on how to use SONA.